Meaning of huffily.
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 Huffily. The word huffily means to behave in a resentful or annoyed manner, typically because one feels that they have been unfairly treated or offended. When someone acts huffily, they may speak in a sharp tone or make sarcastic comments. Their body language may also convey a sense of defensiveness or hostility. This type of behavior can lead to strained relationships and misunderstandings if not addressed effectively. Therefore, it is important to communicate calmly and respectfully when addressing issues that may evoke huffy behavior from others.